Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the creative world of custom jewelry by crafting our very own sublimation earrings. This process is not only fun, but also allows for endless personalization, making it perfect for personal projects or unique gifts. Before we get started, make sure you visit my website, link in the description below, or search for my brand, Color Vistas, online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. To begin, let's gather the necessary materials. You'll need either a sublimation printer or Cricut infusible ink. While a sublimation printer is ideal for high-quality prints, Cricut infusible ink serves as a great alternative if you don't have access to one. A heat press is essential for transferring your designs onto the earring blanks, so ensure it's suitable for small items like earrings. Next, choose high-quality sublimation blanks specifically designed for earrings. These are typically made from materials like aluminum or MDF that can withstand high heat. If you're using a sublimation printer, you'll also need sublimation ink and paper to ensure your designs come out vibrant and durable. For the design process, software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or Cricut Design Space will be invaluable. These programs will help you create and adjust your designs to fit the earring blanks perfectly. Additionally, heat-resistant tape is crucial for securing the design in place on the blank, preventing any movement during the heat press process. Don't forget the additional accessories like earring hooks, jump rings, and pliers, which are needed to assemble your earrings after the sublimation process. Having these on hand will help us complete the project smoothly. Now, let's prepare our workspace. It's important to work in a clean and organized area, as dust and debris can affect the quality of your sublimation process. Begin by preheating your heat press to the recommended temperature for sublimation earrings, usually around 400° Kelvin. Preheating ensures even heat distribution and better transfer results. For safety, wear heat-resistant gloves to protect your hands when handling hot materials, and consider wearing safety glasses for eye protection. Moving on to the exciting part, designing your earrings. Use your chosen design software to create or customize your earring designs, ensuring they are mirrored so they transfer correctly. Adjust the size of the design to fit the earring blanks perfectly. Once your design is ready, load your sublimation paper into the printer and print your design. Ensure the printer settings are optimized for sublimation printing, including the correct paper type and quality settings. With the design printed, it's time to prepare the blanks. Start by cleaning the surface of the earring blanks to remove any dust or oils, ensuring the sublimation ink adheres properly. Position the printed design face down on the blank and secure it with heat-resistant tape to prevent any movement during the pressing process. Place the secured blank in the heat press, applying medium pressure and heat for the recommended time, typically around 60 seconds. Carefully remove the blank from the heat press and let it cool before peeling off the paper. Once the blanks have cooled, attach the hooks and other accessories using pliers. Ensure all components are securely fastened and inspect the finished earrings for any imperfections. Clean them with a soft cloth to remove any residues. To maintain their vibrancy and durability, store your final product in a cool, dry place and avoid exposing them to water or harsh chemicals. By following these detailed steps and using the right materials, you can create stunning results that are both personal and professional looking. Whether you're making them for yourself, as gifts, or to sell, the process is straightforward and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. You can visit my website, link in the description below, or search for my brand, Color Vistas, online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. See you in the next video.